Are you prepared to unravel a hidden gem in the world of Excel? Something that will change the way you navigate spreadsheets forever. Welcome to a journey of discovery and empowerment. Greetings, seekers of Excel wisdom. You are about to embark on a quest to harness a tool so subtle yet so powerful. Today, we lift the curtain on the magic of adding tooltips, also known as screen tips in Excel. Hello, Excel explorers. Get ready to unravel mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Join us as we decode the intricate art of adding tooltips, those captivating screen tips that will amplify your Excel mastery. Get ready to be on the edge of your seat as we introduce you to an Excel feature that will add a thrill to your spreadsheet adventures. Adding tooltips to your file is an amazing thing. Adding tooltips basically you give some information but it did not show in file. Like if we add comments, it shows some point at there. If we add note, it shows some point at there. But we do not want this. But still I have to give some information to my worker or my client. So here I have made an example: student ID card. I want to give information at there. For example, add school name or full school name according to my requirements. For example, first name add there. So if I add comment or notes there, so it will leave some point at there which look somehow bad. So I will add screen tips to it. For example, go to your data validation, leave it as it is. Input message, its school name, so provide your full school name. Just press OK. Now every time I go to this cell, it will show me what I have to enter there. Same we can do it for image. So here I have some requirements. Upload your blue background picture only. So it will show every time my student come there for adding picture, it will show this. So same we can do it for city. Enter your complete address there or like in this cell. As we're working on cell, so I place it. For example, for phone number, just phone number of your guardians. In case of emergency, so another number of guardian will be entered in this cell. I am just leaving screen tips for my students, so it will be so helpful to them to enter data. So for example, I want signature there, signature in this cell. Okay, now I want first name there, so I want in capital letters, so your first name in capital letters, your last name letters, ID number, your 8 number ig will be entered at the, like, see, now no extra color or not extra comment or notes are added, but still I am giving all the information to my students to fill this card, so I can print out this. Like, he come for school name, he will show it, provide your full school name, it will be shown, but he should be entered at there. So I did not first street address, so leave it. Now city address, enter your complete address, phone number which I want, so I placed according to my requirements. In case of emergency, and any other number which is of his or her guardian, so I need first name in capital letters, last name in capital letters, so I put my requirements at there. And I want picture requirements, so I also place there. So you can add screen tips like this, where you don't want to show it like a small pops and you want clean everything. Now if I go for print like this, nothing extra will be shown. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and brace yourselves for more incredible Excel revelations ahead. Until next time, let's embrace the Excel magic.